Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and ring the bell so that way you can get notifications of when I go live and when new things are coming out, which is going to be a lot of new stuff in the new year. Today we are doing a first look with a new palette from Too Faced. It's one of the mini palettes, and that's my jam. That's my jam. I love, love, love makeup. That's why I have this channel. And look how cute this is. It's like a little turntable with a record, with the wicked record. And it has an adorable little color story. And we are going to do some swatches. We love doing the swatches. Crazy, you just don't know what's going to happen. So there are 8 colors here. Those are the first 4. Look at that shimmer. That's really beautiful. And there's no names to these. Oh, they are on the back, but I'm never going to know the names. I'm never going to call them by their name. That's why I pretend. I'm just a wham bam, thank you ma'am, when it comes to palettes. And that is a beautiful palette. I've got a little highlighter on my hand, don't mind that. But I can't wait to put this on my eyes, which is the next step, is the performance of the eyeshadows. We are very interested in seeing how that goes. And I'm going to start my look with this first color here in my crease. Oh, it's a really pretty pink. That is super cute. And, oh, it smells good. It's got a scent to it. What is the scent? I guess it's like jam. It's sweet. It smells sweet. I can't tell you exactly what it tastes. I don't know what it tastes like. I'm not tasting it. But these palettes are a lot of times scented. And this one smells super sweet and nice. Like me, I'm super sweet and nice. And then we're going to jump into the lavender color. I'm just going to kind of call them as I see them and pick them up and put them down. And there's a little bit of kick up in the pan. But it's really showing up. It's showing up really nicely. And this is just a sweet little palette. I think it could have come out in the spring because there's like a series of all these different mini palettes. And this is the one that really kind of floated my boat, so to speak. If it's not one cat playing on a box, it's 2 cats. Can't control these kittens. They're just little wild creatures. I mean, they're really pretty tame for real, but and that is super pretty. And this is going to be just a real sweet look today. I'm going to go into this peachy shimmer color and put that on the inside of my lid with my finger, and it is super cute. And it's got a kind of a gold shimmer to go with the peachiness. And I will do the same over here. And it's just super cute and sweet. Everything's super cute and sweet. Oh my God. I'm going to get the diabetes. Me and Wilford Brimley going to have the diabetes from the sweetness. And I'm going to go under my brow with, I'm also going to take this, the shimmer, and Just dust it under my brow and blend it out real nice and light. So it works great with a brush, it works great with your finger, and this blends out super well. It blends like a dream, as they say. That's great. I am going to take this shimmery purple and add it to the outside of the lavender, but it's not really showing up because it's about the same color. I'm going to go a little darker now with this brown color and put it, or it's, oh, it's kind of a burgundy. I thought it was more brown. And just add it here and deepen up the outside of the eye. Got a little line of it a little too high. That's what tissues are so great for. The unsung hero of beauty. Q-tips and tissues. And this is just looking super lovely. I'm just trying to get the same on both sides. I'm blending it into the crease. Very pretty. And now I'm going to take the shiniest shimmer there, and I'm going to put it on the center of my eyelid and blend it into the rest of the eye. And it's showing up like highlighted to the gods with that. And that makes it a really cute special eye look. And with that, let's do some eyeliner. We're going to use the Star Gems Asteria eyeliner. If I can get the top off. And it's got a nice firm tip. Super cute. This is a great super black eyeliner. And then for mascara, we are going to use the Dark Star from Pat McGrath. Oh, I love this mascara. It does such a nice job. And then I think I'm going to go with a gloss for my lips. I'm not going to go with gloss. I'm not going to go with the gloss. I am going to go with the beautiful pink from Jeffree Star, and this is Rose Madder. And I got this in my mystery box recently. And it's super cute and super pink. And I think it goes great with this. And this has just been a sweet little look with the That's My Jam palette from Too Faced. And I love it. It turned out super great, much better than I expected. And I definitely vote for this palette to be something that you might want. Just a little something, something. Have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye.